In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your TikTok account private. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to have more control over who sees your content, switching your account to private is an important step to take. Let's dive into it together and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the TikTok app on your device. Once you've launched it, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. It typically looks like a person or sometimes an avatar you've set up for your account. Tap on that icon to access your personal TikTok profile page. This area acts as the central hub for your account information, videos, and other settings. Upon opening your profile page, you'll notice a variety of options. What you're looking for now is the settings area, which you can access by locating the three horizontal lines, sometimes appearing as three dots depending on your device, typically situated in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. This menu is filled with various options that allow you to customize your TikTok experience. From the Settings menu, you'll want to find and select the Privacy option. It's here where you can manage who can see your content and interact with your profile. Privacy is paramount on social media, so it's great that TikTok provides these built-in features to help you customize your experience. One of the critical features under the privacy settings is the discoverability option. This particular setting ensures that only the people you choose can follow you and see your posts. Under discoverability, you'll see the option marked Private Account. There should be a toggle switch beside it. By default, this might be set to off, meaning that currently anyone can follow you and view your videos. To set your account to private, simply tap on the toggle switch and it should turn on. Toggling this option on effectively changes your TikTok experience, granting you more control. A private account means that potential followers will have to send a follow request, which you can approve or decline. It provides peace of mind, knowing that only those you trust or approve can see your creative, fun, or informative content. And there you have it. You've successfully made your TikTok account private. This change is a great step towards safeguarding your personal content and ensuring only a select audience can engage with it. If ever you wish to switch back to a public profile, simply return to this setting and toggle the private account option off. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and take care.